Hello, today I kind of want to show you how to use the check payments with WooCommerce and Sprout Invoices. So here you can see I have my check payments enabled and Sprout Invoices. You also have my WooCommerce checkout. You really need the WooCommerce checkout, not necessarily the WooCommerce settings over here. That's going to be coming from WooCommerce back. But what I'm going to do here is show you that I have an invoice created from a WooCommerce item, and then I'm going to get this invoice signed and then pay the invoice. Should in turn take me to WooCommerce, and I have my information here. I'm using this check payments, so I'm going to place my order. So what's going to happen is it's a pending payment right now, and if I go to my orders and refresh my orders here, you should see that new order come through 11 seconds ago. So then I'm just going to take this order and mark it as completed. Apply, because they paid with check. I gotta wait for the check to get here. And then that's marked as completed. And then now the customer will see the invoice is paid. I hope that helps. Thanks.